Napakaganda ng Pilipinas. Yan ang laging sinasabi ko sa bawat biyahe, kasama ang aming grupo. Guys, grabe. Ang ganda dito sa kabog-kabog. Parang New Zealand, tingnan nyo naman. Sino ba naman kasi ang hindi mamamangha sa pagdating sa destinasyon ay ganito kagandang tanawin ang bubungad sa'yo. Samahan mo pa ng masayang kwentuhan, kulitan, kasama ang tropa. Talagang masasabi mong malaya ka. Huwag ka tatalon! Mahal ka nun! Mahal ka niya! Halika, samahan nyo kami sa aming biyahe. We are Kalayaan Moto Club, and out here, we're free. Good morning, guys! Ayan, may isa na naman tayong ride. Sobrang excited ko ngayong araw para sa ride na to, guys. It has been months since nung huli tayong nag-ride kasama ang Kalayaan. Recently kasi, alam niyo na, taga Bulacan. So, binaha tayo last month. And yung normally na dinadaanan natin sa Apalit, grabe, not possible. So, yung ride na to, it was pushed back. Ngayon, pupunta tayo sa Bataan. Chill ride lang sa Lowlands. Nakakamiss na rin yung Vietnamese cuisine. So, yeah, balikan ko kayo maya-maya. Dito yung meetup natin sa may McDonald's Kalumpit. Call time is 4:30. So mukhang tayo na lang inaantay dito. Yo, good morning! What's up, guys? Ito, ride out na. Dito na kami sa papuntang Apalit. Ito yung Jumbo Genera. Maalala nyo, a couple of weeks ago, puro tubig tong kalsada na to. Ito, dito yung may na-aksidente doon sa video ni Kuya Nads. Ito yung kalsadang inayos na malapit na ulit masira. Good morning again! Parang ang laki ng dilim dun sa pupuntahan namin. Grupo natin, introduce natin si John. Hans. Si Gege.
Kuya Gray, shout out.
Raymart. Ito yung seasoned vlogger natin.
Oy. Shout out kay Abby. Aguilera, yung si Unfiltered.
Abby Unfiltered.
Bro, di ka sumama eh. Sarap. Basa kami sa ulan.
Ito si CJ and Kim.
Take me out past the mud and rust and all the broken bones, and watch the sun fall down.
Ito si Mosh.
behind the hills.
Kape muna kami.
With a woman and she makes me wanna sing a song.
Yeah, we were talking oh so close on this Friday night. A million faces overdose, and yours I happened to find with a smile that exploded across your face and then mine. It's got me wondering, how is it gonna be without this bottle of wine? The phrases you don't wanna hear, paired with strangers and cheap beer. What can I say to make me someone worth believing? So this time, yeah, this time I'll get it right. So can I call you on a Sunday afternoon? Don't want my words to be confused under the shadow of the moon. We'll do it right, bring it to life. Why don't we leave this here tonight? So can I call you on a Sunday afternoon? Now the time's gone, but it floats.
Ang ganda
I
lang
still
ano.
feel your eyes, raining cautious like you know.
Down.
Got me categorized like I couldn't be your kind of lover. But can I change your mind? Can we slow it down? Look around.
So guys, dito sa Kabog-Kabog View Deck may bayad daw. Environmental fee, 20 pesos.
Full of diapers and still love songs.
Ayan. So, binigay na namin yung
What
pambayad
can
kanina.
I say to make me someone worth believing? So this time, yeah, this time I'll get it right.
Stop na si Tatang.
So can I call you on a Sunday afternoon? Don't want my words to be confused under the shadow of the moon. We'll do it right, bring it to life. Why don't we leave this here tonight? So can I call you on a Sunday afternoon?
Medyo rough road dito guys. Ito, medyo may putik lang dito.
So can I call you on a Sunday afternoon? Don't want my words to be confused under the shadow of the moon. So can I call you on a Sunday afternoon?
Guys, tingnan nyo naman to guys. Ganda ng hills. Grabe. Ganda ng mountain. Grabe. Ayun pala yung Kabog-Kabog River. Parang okay din eh, no? Siya magkakalang ganito maganda ang bataan. Yan yung Kabog-Kabog River, Kuya Nads. Minsan pagtripan natin puntahan. Yun o, ganda. Grabe.
Sana utot lang. Eh kung may kasama. Wet and wild. Sabi nung kasama ko sa kanila. Ito motor bumubukol. Sabi ko hindi. Ako po tayo.
Kasi kung malikot sila, sabi ko nga sa paharapin mo na lang sa tampak.
Yun na malaki. Ang nagtampo eh.
Pag-shot ka lang.
Nagtatampo ngayon si Gray. Hindi ko daw sinama eh.
Maglagay ka na kasi
Tumatawag
box
ka.
para nakaganon siya sa
ka?
tampak.
Safe yun. Hindi kasi ako
Rolling
mabalik.
river down to where the
Pag komportable
poppies
na ako, magaling na magmotor ulit.
Masali pag na ano.
Gusto mo
and drink that
practice.
cool water
Ang
till I
susunod si
get
Jan.
mine.
Oo. Pag parking mo. Kukultay ka na.
Take me out.
Taka na pag ganun yung gravity na ano mo.
Broken bone.
Backswing na yun.
Gaya yung motor eh.
Doon masusubukan.
Si Green pag nasanay mo ng
Watch the
dyan.
sun fall down behind
Line up nung mga motor natin. Dalawang Aerox, isang Vespa, dalawang PCX, isang XSR, isang Z650, saka isang Aprilia SRGT kay Gian sa bayaw ko. Si Paring Jan. Paring Jan, sa
Sulit.
masasabi mo?
Sulit na. Natural ang hangin.
Natural lang hangin. Whew. Ang sweet naman ng lovebirds namin doon. Ayun oh. Siyempre. Stage partner.
Paano yung mga pinagkagawa nyo na yan? Harap-harapan yan ha. Kung ginaganti ako.
Bastusan na.
Ito pagka nakuha ko yun sa akin, talagang
Ang kaso lang, 4 wheels ka nun.
sayaan kasi.
So, after dito, maglo-lolings muna. Tapos, pag may oras, baka balik kami dito, pare. Sarap eh. Talagang sobrang relaxing. Sobrang green nung ano. Ito yung mga kasama natin, no? I-enjoy sila doon. Diba?
So can I call you on a Sunday afternoon? Don't want my words to be confused under the shadow of the moon. We'll do it right, bring it to life. Why don't we leave this here tonight? So can I call you on a Sunday afternoon? So can I call you on a Sunday afternoon? Don't want my words to be confused under the shadow of the moon. So can I call you on a Sunday afternoon? Don't want my words to be confused under the shadow of the moon. We'll do it right, bring it to life. Why don't we leave this here tonight? So can I call you on a Sunday afternoon?
Dito tayo sa unahan, no? Guys, ayan, nandito na tayo sa Lolings. Kain muna tayo. Sarap yung ano nila dito eh, yung banh mi, tsaka yung huchu.
Sir, good morning.
Isang huchu special
For dining
na for dining, pork.
Sa what you special?
Tsaka isang banh mi special,
Ano po yung banh mi, sir? Pork din po or beef?
beef. Tsaka isang caramel frappuccino.
Sa pong caramel frap. Ano pa po, sir?
Yan lang.
Ito yung huchu guys.
Take me
Ano
out
ba ito, pre?
past the
Sarap.
mud and rust.
Tapos ito naman yung banh mi nila. Banh mi special.
And watch the sun fall down behind the hills. I'm in love with a woman, and she makes me wanna sing a song. I'm in love with a woman, and she makes me wanna build a home. I'm in love with a woman, and she makes me wanna sing a song. I'm in love with a woman, and she makes me wanna build